Welcome to VPerfectCS. I am Vinay Rana, an Odoo implementation consultant. Our team delivers practical Odoo ERP implementation, custom applications, integration, and business automation. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for Odoo tutorials and product demonstrations. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into an enterprise-grade sports intelligence platform, the Football Data Intelligence Platform and Conversational AI Assistant. Modern sports organizations, analytics firms, and media teams face a massive challenge. Football data is scattered across multiple incompatible providers, making real-time analysis and scouting extremely tedious. This platform solves that by unifying multi-source web scrapers, an automated entity deduplication engine, an Odoo 19 canonical data backend, OpenSearch hybrid search, and a FastAPI AI conversational AI agent into a single high-performance containerized platform. Why is building a unified football intelligence platform so challenging? Because football statistics are heavily fragmented. Sofascore excels at live fixture events, player ratings, and heat maps. FBref delivers deep tactical metrics, expected goals, and progressive passing data. Understat provides granular shot maps, while Transfermarkt tracks market valuations and contract timelines. Worse yet, player and team names vary wildly across platforms. Without intelligent entity resolution and automated ingestion pipelines, analysts waste hours manually reconciling conflicting datasets. Let's look at the infrastructure architecture. The platform is completely containerized with Docker Compose into 7 synchronized microservices. At the core is PostgreSQL 16 serving as the canonical relational store with optimized JSONB support. OpenSearch 2.18 provides distributed hybrid search combining BM25 lexical matching and dense vector KNN embeddings. Redis 7 acts as the message broker, query cache, and conversational session store. Background ingestion is driven by a Celery worker and Celery beat scheduler. Finally, the FastAPI AI Orchestrator powers natural language chat, while Odoo 19 delivers enterprise backoffice management and scouting dashboards. Our data ingestion layer is engineered for reliability, modularity, and speed. The Celery ingestion worker runs dedicated scraper adapters for each external source. For Sofascore, it extracts tournament fixtures, lineups, minute-by-minute match events, player ratings, and position heat maps. For FBref, it captures advanced scouting reports, defensive actions, progressive carries, and shot creating actions. For Understat and Transfermarkt, it scrapes expected assists, shot locations, and financial valuations. Each scraper handles rate limiting, back-off retries, and schema normalization before passing raw payloads into the processing pipeline. The core intelligence of our ingestion pipeline lies in the football dedup module. When data arrives from multiple providers, the deduplication engine executes a multi-stage resolution pipeline. First, it checks exact external provider IDs mapped in previous syncs. If no match exists, it triggers fuzzy string matching using normalized Levenstein distance and Jaro-Winkler algorithms against canonical player names, birth dates, nationality, and club affiliations. Matches above the confidence threshold are automatically linked, while ambiguous records are flagged in Odoo for human review, ensuring pristine database integrity. All unified football entities are modeled canonically inside Odoo 19. We engineered custom models including football.league, team, player, match, event, and scouting metrics. Odoo provides relational views where analysts can inspect player performance, compare scouting statistics, and track injury reports and contract expirations. With custom Kanban boards, native sidebar navigation, and detailed list views, the platform offers a complete enterprise management workspace for sports directors and scouting departments. To power lightning-fast retrieval across millions of historical events and player statistics, the platform syncs canonical records into OpenSearch 2.18. We employ a true hybrid search architecture. Traditional BM25 lexical scoring handles exact keyword matching for player names, teams, and tournament stages, while dense vector embeddings indexed with k-nearest neighbors enable semantic understanding of natural language scouting queries. A reciprocal rank fusion layer combines both scores to deliver sub-second search precision. Sitting on top of our data stores is the FastAPI AI Orchestrator. When a user asks a complex football question, The orchestrator first classifies the intent. Is it an analytical aggregation requiring direct SQL execution on PostgreSQL, a semantic query requiring OpenSearch vector retrieval, or a multi-turn tactical comparison? The engine retrieves relevant context, injects real-time match records into the prompt, and streams natural language responses backed by verifiable statistical citations. Let's trace a user query through the system as shown in our architecture flow diagram. The client sends a message to the FastAPI AI gateway with a session ID. The orchestrator retrieves conversational history from Redis to preserve multi-turn context. It queries OpenSearch for relevant player profiles and match logs and aggregates live statistics from PostgreSQL. The language model synthesizes the answer, generating markdown tables, short maps, and clickable entity links, and commits the new turn back to Redis cache in under 2 seconds. Expanding the platform to support a brand new league is completely streamlined. First, an operator discovers the league's tournament and season IDs from Sofascore, such as Egypt Premier League Tournament 808. Next, they register the tournament in Odoo's Football League configuration with desired scraping depths. Triggering the Celery backfill job launches asynchronous tasks that populate teams, fixtures, and player rosters. The deduplication engine automatically links new players, and records are synced into OpenSearch, making the entire league instantly queryable in the AI assistant within minutes. To keep data fresh during live match weeks, the Celery beat scheduler orchestrates daily delta scrapes. Instead of crawling entire historical catalogs, the delta pipeline queries only recently completed matches and upcoming fixtures. Tasks are distributed across worker queues with automatic concurrency throttling and exponential backoff to avoid provider rate limits. Every database transaction uses atomic upserts in PostgreSQL, guaranteeing zero data corruption or race conditions. The platform is engineered to handle heavy match day traffic and millions of records. Redis caches hot, analytical queries, and AI session context with configurable time-to-live expirations. OpenSearch indices use multi-shard configurations with optimized index refresh intervals. PostgreSQL queries utilize composite indexing on match timestamps and player IDs, ensuring sub-50 millisecond database queries even as historical datasets expand across decades of global football. At VPerfectCS, our philosophy is simple. You own 100% of the code we build. Unlike proprietary sports analytics, SaaS platforms that charge recurring per-seat licenses and restrict your data access, we deliver full source code, private VPS hosting architecture, and total data sovereignty. With over 7 years of Odoo mastery and 50+ enterprise deployments, we empower your organization with custom, sovereign AI and data systems. Because this platform is engineered as a secure, private enterprise system, organizations deploy this exact architecture on their own dedicated VPS. Using our modular Docker Compose patterns and Cloudflare Zero Trust tunnels, we help you provision private database clusters, configure custom sports data scrapers, and tailor the conversational AI assistant to your team's specific scouting methodologies and tactical terminology. Thank you for watching this architectural walkthrough of the Football Data Intelligence Platform and AI Assistant. If you are looking to build a custom sports data pipeline, an AI analytics assistant, or an enterprise Odoo solution, reach out to our engineering team at vpcscloud.com or email vinay.ra@vperfectcS.com. Be sure to subscribe to the channel at Vinosoft85 for more enterprise architecture and AI engineering masterclasses. See you in the next video.